Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to get your API key from Google AI Studio. So the first thing that you need to do is to write aistudio.google.com. You need to hit enter, and now this website will open. So from here you need to click on the get API key on the down left corner button as you from here. After that, from here, all the API keys that you have will show from here. You can just click on it and you can copy the API key. I'll see from here. I already have a default Gemini project here. I can just copy the API key from here. So, also you can actually click on create API key to create a new key. You can from here name your key like new test key, and from here you can actually import project or choose the default Gemini project. After that you can actually create a key, and now after that from here you can actually just copy the API key from here. It's very easy. You can just click on copy, and now it is copied to your clipboard. You can now use it wherever you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.